my name is Ashley Bracken, and I'm going to be doing a math video for College Algebra, and we're going to be working on logarithms today. So I'll show you how to do a basic logarithm with a base of 10, which is just regular. I'll show you how to change the base to find another type of logarithm. And then if your number has an exponent and you don't know what it is, I'll show you how to do that. And then if your exponent of a number, let's say, looks like x plus 1 or something like that, that's actually an equation, then I'll also show you how to do that. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're just going to do a basic log, and all basic logs just have a base, which that would be the subscript right here of 10, and that's just regular. So let's do a log of 16. So I'm going to be using a calculator, which usually you do use on logs. And all you do, I'm using the, right now I'm using the CASIO FX 115 ES Plus. Okay, this is just a regular scientific calculator. It's about 17 bucks. So for this problem, log 16, you just find your regular log key, which is right here. Log pops up. You type in 16. You hit your close parenthesis, and all you do, press equal. And your answer, it has a long decimal, so let's just round it to the hundredth place. So equals 1.20. Okay, so that's a basic log. Well, so what happens if you need to change your log, or your base, I mean? So let's do something like log with a base of 3, and remember that's a subscript, that's not a regular number, and then 81. So how would you type that into the calculator? There is a button that allows you to change your bases, and that's right here. So let's clear it. Okay, so you press this, oops, you press that, and see, now you have a space to enter in your base where the cursor is. So our base is 3. You press this arrow over button and you type in 81. Press equal, and it's going to give you 4. And if you want to know how to check this, when you have a base like this, what that means, it actually looks like this. 3x equals 81. And then if you want to check it, 3 to the 4th equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So what we get is 9 times 9 equals 81. Okay, and that checks. Okay, so let's do one that's similar to that. So what you do, that's number 3. We're going to do 5 to the x equals 75. So how do you find that? Okay, well, you take down your x, write log of 5 equals log 75, because what you do to one side you have to do to the other. So if you do log 5, you got to do log 5 or 75. Okay? So in order to get rid of this, we only want x. So in order to get rid of this, we have to divide by log 5 on both sides. Because what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. You probably learned that in earlier math classes. So that cancels out. So what you get is log 75 over log 5. And what that equals, how you would do that, on this calculator, different calculators have different features. So what you would do first, press this fraction button right here. And then make sure your cursor is on the top. Press your log button. And then you press 75. Close your parenthesis. Arrow down to the bottom. Then you press log 5. And then you're going to press equal. What this means is log 75 divided by log 5. That's what a fraction means. So press equal. You're going to get a big decimal, so let's just round it to 2 decimal places to the hundredths place. So 2.68 is going to be our answer for that one. Okay, and our final log for this video is going to be, our problem is going to look like this. 2 with the exponent of x plus 1 equals 7. Okay, so this one's a little more scary. Okay, so what you do, since your exponent goes in front of your log, just like here and here, so we have to do that. Get your parentheses, x plus 1 log of 2 equals, gotta bring your log to the other side since you did it to the first side, log of 7. Okay, just like before, divide by log 2, divide by log 2. So the best thing to do is pretty much use your calculator at the end and just keep it the way it is. So those two cancel, so all you have left is x plus 1 equals log 7 over log 2. Okay, but we still need x alone on this side. So what we're going to do, we subtract 1 on each side. Subtract 1. Okay, now you can get ready to use your calculator. Go ahead and write your x equals. So what we're going to do, type it in just as it shows. You can do it 2 different ways. First hit your fraction key, hit log 7, close your parentheses, arrow down, log 2, hit your parenthesis. And what you can do equal if you want, and then minus 1, or you can just type it in all the same. So let's do it this way first. Minus 1. Press equal, and you're going to get, let's say, 1.81. Now let me show you the other way, which you'll pretty much get the same answer. So let's do it again. Log 7 over log 2. And now you can press the equals. You get that. Now you can minus 1. And so you still get 1.81. The same answer. And you'll do that with pretty much all the other problems you have. Let's say it was x minus 1. You would just add the 1 since you have to do the opposite. So that's pretty much all we got for logarithms. So I hope this helped. Enjoy college!